In this video, we will see another parameter that is overlooked all too often, regional interest. While you can get to know how the demand for a product or service changes over the year with Google Trends, there's another vital piece of information you need to look at: whether the product or service is popular and in demand in the geographical location your Amazon affiliate site is targeting. Not every product sells equally well all over the world. For the vast majority of people that have signed up for this course, your Amazon affiliate site will be targeting the United States, and the US is the biggest market there is for almost every product you will find on Amazon. But this is not always the case. There are some products that sell better in countries outside the US. Assuming the United States is the biggest market out there for every product on Amazon could sometimes be a mistake. If your site is targeting a certain country, you want to be pretty sure the products you are selling are popular and hot there. Like in the previous video, we will be using Google Trends to gauge regional interest. You would want to note that there are many ways you can use the information these tools give you. But let's keep everything we are discussing here tightly focused on how to use all of this for your Amazon affiliate sites. Let's go to google.com/trends and look up golf clubs. This time, instead of choosing to see the trends within the US, let's select worldwide from the drop-down menu. Scroll down a bit and you will see this section titled Regional Interest. There are a lot of numbers here. Do not take these numbers literally. The actual search volume per month is not indicated here. See them more as a measure of interest and awareness. The numbers here are normalized and the search volume is not indicated. So you would want to see these numbers as a measure of interest and awareness in the topic across countries. As you can see, the greatest demand is outside the US. Golf clubs can mean one of two things: a club that's used to hit the ball, or an organization of golfers. You would always want to check if whatever you are searching for can have multiple meanings. Try to be as specific as possible. If you scroll further down the page, you can see several phrases that are related to golf clubs. Click on the tab that's labeled Rising and you will see phrases that have become very popular recently. We will discuss these in the keyword research section. Let's now check golf balls. For this search, US leads the pack, but the UK and Australia are close behind. It is important to note that there's a lot of demand in other countries as well. If it's getting very hard to sell any particular product in the US market because of the competition, you will want to check if you can sell it in any other country with less effort. And this is how you get to know where else you can sell it. If you wanted to build a site selling golf balls, and if you did the competition research, which will be discussed later, and found the competition very hard to beat in the US, you would then want to check if you could instead target the UK or Australia. Let's now check raincoats for women. As you can see, the demand is greatest in the UK. If this is what you want to sell, you might be better off targeting the UK instead of the US. Similarly, Cadbury cream eggs sell better in the UK than in the US. And Mints, a minty candy, sells a lot in the UK and is not very popular in the US. As you can see, some products sell better in other parts of the world than the US. Doing this check for regional interest is even more important if you are planning to build an affiliate site focusing on markets other than the US. Say if you want to build a site focusing on Germany, you would want to make sure the products you are promoting are very popular in Germany.